Hi, welcome to Moxy. We're going to go over some brass monkey leg technique. Now this is a very technical move within pole dance, and so we want to build up to it very slowly and make sure that we're gripping in the right position so that it's a success. Come on down to the floor with me. What I'd recommend is starting here so that we can really understand what's happening. I'm going to lay down with my hip to the side of the pole right here. Nice long spine. From here, I'm going to kind of scoot down so it's more in my waist. I'm going to take my outside foot to the pole, come up high, and I'm going to connect my back of the knee and hamstring to the pole on my inside leg, closest to the pole. From there, I'm going to squeeze my cheeks, hips up high, bend the knee, let that calf wrap around. I'm going to engage and really try to squeeze that heel to my glute. I'm going to squeeze my butt. This other leg's going to come up straight. You can go ahead and give it a flex for now. Then it's a little sit-up and just shifting that weight. You can get a big squeeze and come up higher towards that sit-up position. Once you've done that a couple of times, now we're going to take it up in the air, and I'm going to show you my personal favorite way to start getting into that brass monkey leg position. We can do it just from the floor by dropping the torso, taking that inside leg up nice and high. From here, I'm going to let myself sink into that bottom hip. Now notice, I'm going to lean my shoulders one direction, my hips in the opposite direction of the pole. From here, I'm going to release that top leg and hook through that bottom leg there. Give it a couple of bend and straightens so that you can really squeeze into that. You're going to release that top leg. You can remove that inside arm down. We're in our brass monkey legs here. We can practice, again, squeezing and lowering down. Notice where my hip is. I want it to the side of the pole. If my hip's in front of it, that's not going to work. Once we've got that down, we're feeling a little bit braver. Let's go ahead and give it a climb up so we've got more room to play. I'm going to let myself climb up. 1 to 2 climbs, whatever you're comfortable with. From here, you can use that half bracket arm to loop that leg through and slide down. Notice my hands are low. They're just above my knee. That allows me to lean my torso back. I've got a nice triangle with my arms, body, and pole. From here, I'm going to take that leg around. And again, keep your hips on one side, torso on the other side. I'm going to extend. Feel through that grip on that bottom leg. Release that top leg around. You can hook it here as you shimmy through and make sure you got that good grip. From there, I'm going to use my abs, lower down, pull it into my arm, squeeze. I can reach for the floor here. I can practice releasing, and I can swim that arm around into my armpit to work towards those arms for brass monkey. From here, it's a nice, gentle, safe dismount. So that's what I'd recommend to really get your brass monkey technique down. Take it step by step, do both sides. As that gets stronger, you're going to be able to add so many fun layers of splits and fun moves with those brass monkey legs. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for joining me. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips. And we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.